3 years ago, I bought an abandoned 100-year-old school in Sweden. I've renovated 4 rooms so far, and now it's time for the most disgusting room of the house. But I also used the new Creality Falcon A1 and go on an engraving craze. It's time to deal with a catastrophic boiler room. It's full of mold, but I'm gonna gut everything, get rid of everything that's been damaged, and just clear the whole room to make space for storage. And make sure that the rats that have infested this room don't come back. Let's go! Maybe get another bag for that. Yeah. Oh.
Which bag?
Get another bag. At least 10 years old.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same.
I've created a water feature. What do you think? Should I keep it?
Jag tror vi har fått in en geting eller någonting.
Åh nej, men ta ner nedersta fönstret.
Ja.
Så åker den ut. Nu åkte han nästan in i dörren.
Han vill inte eller?
Jo, han åker ut nu.
Nej.
Nu har det stängt fönstret.
Vi är klara. Har lastbil som epatraktor.
Oh yes.
Overkligt.
Jag har pratat om den också. In där. In här. In här.
Ja.
Den... This week I am trying the new Falcon laser engraver machine that Creality sent me, and I'm gonna make dahlia plant labels. I'm using some leftover wood from my previous projects, and then I've used the software to create the text design, and it's so easy to make this. Let me show you how I did it in just a few simple steps. What's really cool about the new laser engraver is that it has a camera. So when I lay this down here, then I ask the camera to take a new photo, and here you can see the label I've laid in here. That makes it super easy to make a text. Shut. Noir is the name of the dahlia, and I will make it in elegant font. That's how easy it is to create the text design. Then I need to do a couple of settings. I need to make sure that it's on absolute coordinates. I have to make sure that it's the right material chosen. This is what it looks like if I want the outline engraved. If I want it completely filled, I'll make this and then start. Okay, so things did get a little bit out of hand. I made so many signs. I have so much leftover wood, and tomorrow we're going to a colleague's place for after work, and I asked her casually today if she is growing something. Yes, she is, and she's gonna get all of these for her veggie garden. For them to last the whole season, I'm also oiling them with linseed oil. Another really neat thing about the Falcon design space, you can easily import different types of formats. So I uploaded my logo in a JPEG and the program traced it so that I could engrave the logo here. Now I'm gonna try to engrave it into the glass. The reason why I sprayed it black is because this makes the laser stick to the glass and engrave it. Without it, it just goes straight through it, I think.